सर बोलने दीजिए
ओवैसी जी,
सर। ये
आपका प्रस्ताव है ओवैसी जी।
सर 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 एक चीज,
आपकी भावनाएं,
बस एक छोटा सी सर
Sir,
सर छोटा
sir, the
Sir,
question
on-stop
hour
sir,
and
on-
private
on-stop question.
business
sir on-stop
are
question
cornerstone
will
of our democracy.
sir please sir,
And it
sir,
is very much essential for the existence of parliamentary democracy. Question hour and private members bill are also part of theory of separation of powers. The Honorable Minister has the dishonorable distinction by moving such a motion, he is weakening the theory of separation of powers, which is part of a basic structure of a constitution. I urge you, Speaker, not to allow the executive to encroach on the territory of the legislature. It is a shameful day if question hour and private business is not taken up. Sir, lastly, sir, I request you that on behalf of my party, I'm asking for division, sir. There should be a division on this, sir.
प्रस्ताव दिया है। ओके।